Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can invest in stock in SoFi, so let's get started. First, click on your individual active investing account. In this example, the account currently has around $640 in value. You can also see the available buying power, which in this case is only 47 cents. That means if we want to purchase something right now, we'll first need to add funds to the account by selecting the Add Cash button in the top left corner. When you scroll down a little, you'll see the investments already held in this account. If you'd like to add more, there are two different ways. You can either choose one of the existing stocks already in your portfolio, or you can use the search icon at the top. By clicking search, you'll see different categories such as popular or trending stocks. You can also type in the company name or ticker symbol directly. For example, if you want to buy Tesla, select Tesla from the search results, and then tap on the Buy option. Here, you'll see two choices. You can either set up a recurring investment or make a one-time purchase by selecting Buy. Once you choose to buy, you'll have the option to purchase by dollar amount or by the number of shares. If you select shares, you can enter the exact number of shares you want to buy. At this stage, you can also choose between a market order or a limit order. A market order allows you to buy at the current market price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price point at which you'd like to purchase. For example, if Tesla is trading near $678.90, you can enter that price as your limit order. Once everything is set, click on Review to confirm the details and then proceed with the purchase. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.